That's the summit of Flowery Peak. 300 feet, almost straight up, hands and knees climbing. And we're on a ridge of a sister peak here. It's a sister peak. And if you look, you can see Dayton, Nevada, Carson City, and then of course Mount Davidson and Virginia City, which is up in this canyon here across the mountain. And so we're going to climb over these rocks, climb to the top of Flowery Peak, and then work our way down to the mountain to the mines in the middle. It's very windy. I'm doing what I can to cover the speaker, but we're just keeping you up to date on the expedition. So far, so good. We just climbed. Whoa! We just climbed the steep. Look how steep that is. Very windy out, so a lot of dangers involved. You do got to be careful. You can easily break my ankle and be stranded up here. But we're getting into some major mountain climbing and rock climbing. Wow, this is intense. We're gonna have to climb all that. Woo! Oh my God, this is amazing, dude. Very few people go up in here. 1,700 foot climb to the peak, and here we are. And we got these telephone poles, electric lines running right through this canyon, bringing power up into Dayton and Virginia City. Anyways, we'll keep you up to date. Check us out. We're one of the only para-adventure groups in the world. We do mixed paranormal investigating with urban exploration. We were the ones that started over 12 years ago, and we're still doing it even after 1,100 investigations later. This is your founder, Lord Rick, and our junior investigator, making his way up to the peak. Peace out, man.